And now, as the rhythm settles and the lights gently shift, let's carry that same spirit into our next performance. Let's get ahead with the further proceedings of the evening.
We now move on to the felicitation ceremony, beginning with the recognition of our overall toppers and subject toppers. I now request Santosh sir, the HOD of Mathematics, to invite the awardees for the felicitation.
Thank you, Devansh and Shalin. A very pleasant evening, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're all enjoying this wonderful evening. It's now time for one of the most awaited moments of our program, the felicitation ceremony. To cheer on and motivate our grade 10 students heading into their board exams, the DSE management is happy to announce endowment awards in memory of our founder chairman, Sri P. Madhusudan Rao Garu. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to acknowledge the amazing academic achievements of our students. Today, we are here to honor our school toppers who gave their best and shone brightly in the recent grade 10 AISSC exams 24-25 conducted by CBSE. At DSE, we truly value the hard work, passion and determination our students show. These young stars have put in great effort throughout their studies, and it's time to recognize their dedication. The school toppers and the subject toppers will now receive Sri P. Madhusudan Rao Memorial Awards. They will receive cash prizes, mementos, and certificates of merit. May I now invite our chief guest, Srimati Geeta Bhaskar, and the other dignitaries to come onto the stage and to do the honors. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment has come to announce the name of our school topper. He exemplifies excellence through diligence, courtesy, attention to detail, and a self-driven nature. Notably, he has shown a remarkable ability to strike a seamless balance between academic rigor and extracurricular pursuits, reflecting his exceptional versatility and commitment to all-round excellence. Put your hands together to welcome the one and only Arav Nagar. With an outstanding overall score of 97.2%, Arav emerges as the school topper. He will be honored with the Sri P. Madhusudan Rao Memorial Award, comprising a certificate of appreciation, a memento, and a cash prize of rupees 15,000. Heartiest congratulations, Arav. Let's freeze this frame and cherish it forever. Arav, you are truly an inspiration to your peers. May your quest ahead be blessed with success, happiness, and many more achievements. Harshvardhan Sharma reflects humility, determination, and intellectual curiosity. With an outstanding overall score of 96.2%, he has secured the school's second highest position. Throughout his academic expedition, Harshvardhan has consistently displayed exceptional general awareness and academic brilliance. In recognition of his remarkable achievements, he is being felicitated with the Sri P. Madhusudan Rao Memorial Award, comprising a certificate of appreciation, a memento, and a cash prize of rupees 10,000. This is a moment we will always treasure. The school community extends its warmest congratulations to you, Harshvardhan, and wishes you great success, happiness, and excellence in your future endeavors. It gives us immense pride to honor K. Ritika Joyce, an exceptional student whose unwavering commitment to academics has been truly inspiring. Through her focused efforts and determination, she has secured an impressive overall score of 96%, attaining the third highest position in the school. Ritika is not only an excellent scholar, but also a graceful speaker. At the previous annual day, she captivated the audience as the comparer, leaving a lasting impression with her eloquence and confidence. In recognition of her remarkable accomplishments, she is being felicitated with the prestigious Sri P. Madhusudan Rao Memorial Award, comprising a merit certificate, a memento, and a cash prize of Rs 5,000. Ritika, please remain on the stage for a while, as we have yet another honor waiting for you. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to call upon the top performers in each subject to come forward to receive their well-deserved recognition. First and foremost, I invite the subject topper in English, scoring a phenomenal 99%. She is none other than Ritika Joyce. Let us give her a thunderous round of applause as she is felicitated with the Sri P. Madhusudan Rao Memorial Award, a certificate of appreciation, and a cash prize of Rs 3,000. Congratulations, Ritika, on this incredible achievement. Keep shining and keep us proud. This is truly a Kodak moment. In the subject of Hindi, securing the highest score of 98%, we proudly invite Harshvardhan Sharma to the stage. He will be felicitated with the Sri P. Madhusudan Rao Memorial Award, a certificate of appreciation, and a cash prize of Rs 3,000. Congratulations, Harshvardhan, on this well-deserved achievement. This is a moment we will always treasure. It is my privilege to announce the noteworthy achievement of K. Nagasai Sri, who has secured an impressive 91% in Telugu. A big round of applause as she is felicitated with the Sri P. Madhusudan Rao Memorial Award, a certificate of appreciation, and a cash prize of Rs 3,000. Congratulations, Sai Sri, on this outstanding performance. Keep up the great work and continue to shine. Let's make it a moment to remember. We now come to the subject of Urdu. Ladies and gentlemen, this time we do not have just one topper, but we have two outstanding achievers. With resounding applause, let us welcome Sama Subani and Omar Muhammad Nadeem, who have both secured a perfect score of 100 by 100 in Urdu. Achieving a centum in any language is truly an extraordinary accomplishment and speaks volume about their dedication and brilliance. They are being felicitated with the Sri P. Madhusudan Rao Memorial Award, a certificate of appreciation, and a cash prize of Rs 3,000 each. Let's freeze this frame and cherish it forever. Wholehearted congratulations, Sama and Omar. Your hard work and determination have made us immensely proud. Keep reaching greater heights. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mahita Vuppala to the stage as we acknowledge her remarkable achievement of emerging as a subject topper in French, securing a perfect score of 100. She is being felicitated with the Shri P. Madhusudan Rao Memorial Award, a certificate of appreciation, and a cash prize of rupees 3,000. The elements may come and go, but the memories we create here will stay with us forever. Congratulations, Mahita, on this top-notch success. Your brilliance and hard work are truly commendable. Now, moving on to the subject of mathematics. The subject toppers are Arav Nagar and Pratiksha Patnaik, each securing an outstanding score of 99%. May I request Arav and Pratiksha to kindly step forward to receive the Shri P. Madhusudan Rao Memorial Award, a certificate of appreciation, and a cash prize of rupees 3,000 each. May the students' hard work and dedication shine brighter than ever. Congratulations, Arav and Pratiksha. You have once again proven that determination and hard work always lead to excellence. Pratiksha, please stay back on stage for a moment, as we have one more recognition in store for you. Please put your hands together once again for Pratiksha Patnaik, who has secured an outstanding 99%, the highest score in science. She firmly believes that hard work and smart work go hand in hand, something beautifully reflected in this remarkable achievement. She is being felicitated with the Shri P. Madhusudan Rao Memorial Award, a certificate of appreciation, and a cash prize of rupees 3,000. Let's freeze this frame and cherish forever. Last, but by no means least, we welcome the subject topper of social science. He is no stranger to us. In fact, he is none other our very own genius Arav Nagar, with a remarkable score of 97% in social science. Arav truly deserves a thunderous round of applause. He is being felicitated with the Shri P. Madhusudan Rao Memorial Award, a certificate of appreciation, and a cash prize of rupees 3,000. Congratulations, Arav. Your dedication and brilliance continue to inspire everyone around us. Finally, it's time to present a special honor, an award that recognizes outstanding excellence in the field of information technology. Winning the prestigious Shri P. Madhusudan Rao IT Endowment Award is no easy feat. It demands knowledge, skill, and perseverance, as the contenders undergo several rigorous rounds before the ultimate winner is chosen. Before we announce the result, may I invite Ms. Veena Janjirala, the IT head of DSC Group of Institutions, and Ms. Sangeeta, HOD IT, DSC Banjara Hills, to please join the dignitaries on the dais. Dear audience, let's applaud the recipient of this coveted award, Anam Fatima, who stands as a true symbol of IT brilliance. The winner receives a cash prize of rupees 7,500. Let's freeze this frame and cherish it forever. Congratulations and best wishes to Anam Fatima for this remarkable achievement. As we bring this felicitation ceremony to a close, let us give one more resounding round of applause to all our school toppers for their remarkable accomplishments. May their achievements serve as an inspiration for each one of us to work harder, aim higher, and pursue excellence in all our endeavors. Thank you all for joining us in celebrating their success. Behind every achiever stand supportive parents, whose contribution is truly invaluable. Our dear parents have not only motivated their children to excel in academics and co-curricular activities, but also instilled in them the values that shape character and integrity. Their wholehearted cooperation with the school and teachers at every step made them irreplaceable partners in the success of both their wards and the school as a whole. Thank you so very much, dear parents. A very big round of applause to all the parents here.